Dober dan, kako ste? Upam, da odlično. Pozdravljeni spet v mojem podcastu. Sem Polona in poslušate Se vidimo, epizoda 6. In epizoda 5 we learned the days of the week, months and how to describe your day using the accusative case. Let me tell you what I usually do every day of the week. V ponedeljek kolesarim, v torek delam, v sredo kuham kosilo, v četrtek berem knjigo, v petek gledam televizijo, v soboto grem na kavo in v nedeljo počivam. In today's episode, we are going to learn some phrases that will be useful in everyday life. Let's begin with the most basic one. Picture it. You are talking with a friend and they give you a gift. Tukaj je darilo zate. Here's a gift for you. How do you respond? You can simply say hvala, thank you. The other person can reply ni za kaj, you're welcome. So in Slovene that would be Tukaj je darilo zate. Hvala. Ni za kaj. In another situation, when you drop something and someone picks it up for you, you can also say hvala and the other person will respond with prosim. In this case, prosim means something similar to ni za kaj. But in other contexts, for example, when someone asks, do you need a bag? You can say, ja, prosim. Yes, please. Now let's imagine you're in a store. You're looking around and a saleswoman asks you, a vam lahko pomagam? Can I help you? If you don't need help, you can say, hvala, samo gledam. Thank you, I'm just looking. When you decide to buy something, the cashier will ask, kartica ali gotovina, card or cash. You can choose one or the other. Moving on from the store, you step outside and see a Slovenian friend. He asks you, a gremo na pijačo? Or a gremo na kavo? That means, shall we go for a drink? Or shall we go for a coffee? If you've spent some time in Slovenia, you've probably noticed that we really like to go for coffee and sit down for a chat. It's something very common. When we run into someone we haven't seen for a long time, we often go for coffee together. When you're ordering, you can use the accusative case we learned last time. So you can say, kavo prosim, a coffee please. If you don't want coffee, you can order something else. For example, čaj prosim, a tea please. You can also order food, and when you start eating, we say dober tek, bon appetit. After some time, when you need to use the toilet, you can ask, kje je stranišče? Or kje je WC? Where's the toilet? The waiter will show you where it is. After having pijača and kosilo with your Slovenian friend, you need to drive to another friend's birthday party. So your friend says, lepo se imej, have a great time. And srečno pot, safe drive. This expression can also be used when someone is traveling. And srečno by itself can mean good luck. Now you're driving, but you get stuck in traffic. You get angry because you'll be late for the party. You want to curse, but your mother-in-law, your child, or your boss is also in the car. You already have a strong curse word on the tip of your tongue and you start pee. But now you have realized you are not supposed to say it. So you say pismo. In Slovene, it literally means a letter. It also works as a light, polite curse word. You finally arrive at the party and want to say happy birthday. In Slovene, we say vse najboljše. At the party, some people want to talk to you in Slovene. In that case, you can say oprostite, ne govorim dobro slovensko. I'm sorry, I don't speak Slovene very well. That would be the formal form. If you speak with people at an informal occasion, you can say oprosti, ne govorim dobro slovensko. Or, if you understand but need them to repeat something, you can say a lahko ponovite prosim? Can you repeat please? Or informally, a lahko ponoviš prosim? After some time at the party, you get a phone call. How do you say, "Hi, Sarah speaking"? You say, "Dober dan, Sara pri telefonu." It's your husband asking, "Kdaj prideš?" When are you coming home? You tell him, "Kmalu," soon. Later, you finally get home. Because you love your husband, you want to say that in Slovene. If you're a woman, say rada te imam. If you're a man, say rad te imam. This phrase is used for everyone you love, friends, family, or a partner. If you want to be more intimate, you can say ljubim te. And then, before going to bed, you say lahko noč, good night. So, what have we learned today? In a simple conversation. Hvala, thank you. Prosim, please, or you're welcome. Ni zakaj, you're welcome. In a store. A vam lahko pomagam? Can I help you? Samo gledam. I'm just looking. Gotovina ali kartica? Cash or card? Meeting someone. A gremo na kavo? Or a gremo na pijačo? Shall we go for a coffee or a drink? In a restaurant. Dober tek, bon appetit. Kje je stranišče? Or kje je WC? Where's the toilet? Saying goodbye. Lepo se imej. Have a great day. Srečno pot. Safe drive or safe travels. Srečno. Good luck. At a party. Vse najboljše. Happy birthday. Oprostite, ne govorim dobro slovensko. I'm sorry, I don't speak Slovene very well. A lahko ponovite, prosim? Can you repeat, please? On the phone. Dober dan, Sara pri telefonu. Hi, Sara speaking. For your loved ones. Rad or rada te imam. Or, more intimate, ljubim te, I love you. To je to za danes. That's it for today's episode. Stay tuned for more in Se vidimo!